Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on the Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and today we are going to do a Dollar Tree DIY. One of the things that's not come from Dollar Tree, but I'm going to tell you how you can substitute it. And I call this Crackle and Sparkle. And I also want to tell you, this is not a sponsored video. I just love this hair. A lot of you guys don't know that I have alopecia, and so I have to wear wigs, and I made this unit out of the Maven hair, M-A-Y-V-E-N-N hair, and it's like a 360 up here and then 2 bundles. And when I tell you I love this, I love it. I can't tell that really it's not mine. Even in the back, if y'all can see when I have it up, you can't tell. So I love it. It's 14 inches all over, and in my next intro I'll show you guys it down so you can see it down, but it's Peruvian body wave hair. So if you're looking to buy hair, nice quality hair that's going to last for years, depending on how you take care of it, I recommend Maven all the way. And like I said, this is not a sponsored ad, but I just wanted to tell you guys that. So let's get into the DIY. Bye bye. Alright, for this project you're going to need some Mod Podge, one of the Dollar Tree crackled tea light holders or candle holders. You're going to need 2 of the tall candle holders from the Dollar Tree. Of course, you're going to need a candle from the Dollar Tree. And you're going to need some E6000, the hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, scissors, and you're going to need some filler. This right here is supposed to be glass filler, and it's supposed to have like little pieces of mirror in it. And I ordered it online, and the only problem that I have with it is that it does not have enough mirror in it. But but this is what I'm going to use, and I'll try to link it in the description box. But supposedly some Michaels, you can actually find this in a big jug at Michaels, and it probably have more mirror in it as well, but my Michaels does not have it, so I had to order it. And you're going to need a bowl of some sort. So let's get started. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take your 2 candle holders after you cut the tag off of it. You're going to take your 2 candle holders, and you are going to put them together like this. And you're going to make sure that the lines that goes down here match up together, so when you put it on, that it'll be seamless. It'll go just like this. And then you're going to put E6000 up here and hot glue for a permanent hold, and then you will have something that looks like this. So after you get this, you're going to take your Mod Podge, and you can work in sections. And if you're going to do how many ever candle things you're going to make, that's how many of these you're going to have. And I'm not sure the ounces or whatever this is, but I use 1 pack of this for each candle holder. So after you open that, you see it right here, you're going to take your Mod Podge with your brush. Time for me to get some new Mod Podge. It's about gone. And you're going to brush your Mod Podge onto your candle. Once you have your Mod Podge on, you're going to sit it in your bowl and you're going to sprinkle going to repeat this process all around the candlestick until it's completely finished. Oh guys, I forgot to tell you, you're going to need some fine glitter, silver glitter as well. Okay guys, I'm going to show you the alternative to buying this filler as well. I'm going to use what I made on another DIY that's coming right after this one. So it kind of be like a pear. And if you don't have this, in place of it, you can use the extra fine glitter, and it'll sparkle, the extra fine silver glitter, and it will sparkle and shine just like this does. And because this does not have as much sparkle and shine that I want it to have, I take liberty to add not a whole lot, just a dash of the silver glitter in here, just to give it a little bit more sparkle. You don't want to go overboard with it. You just want a tiny, like barely even any on it. So you got to be light with the hand. Guys, when I say this piece sparkles, it sparkles. The camera does not do it justice. It's just glistening and sparkling everywhere. I wish you guys can see it in person. So don't be alarmed if it doesn't look quite as good on camera. To go back in some spots where it's like really bare, like right in here, and put just a little bit more right there. And you're going to let this dry, and once it dries, you're going to put either another coat of Mod Podge on it, or you're going to put some of the Mod Podge sealant. And once it's dry, or while it's drying, so your whole project could dry together, you can take your E6000 and you can go ahead and glue your this base on top of it, so everything could dry at one time. You're going to bring your candlestick back over out while it's still wet and drying, and try not to touch the candle part that much. And then you're going to get your E6000 and hot glue gun, and you are going to attach. So this is the Crackle and this is the Sparkle. Crackle and Sparkle. Dries, you will have something like this. So here you have it, guys, and I'm gonna come back with some pictures in just a few minutes. So don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share.